Hello everyone, this is Justin Simmons, DKC Realty Group. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today our topic of conversation is how you might be able to start investing in real estate with $100 or less. No gimmicks. So, when we're talking about investing in real estate for $100 or less, a lot of people shop. Justin, home is so expensive, huge down payment, closing costs, what are you talking about? Well, what I'm talking about specifically is a real estate investment trust. So what is that? A real estate investment trust is a company that owns, operates, or finances income producing real estate. Now there's a whole lot of factors on how a company can qualify to be a real estate investment trust or REIT as we like to call them. We're not going to get into all that. Talk to your licensed stockbroker or other qualified financial professional. But this is a great opportunity for you in terms of real estate investing and generating wealth. So when we're talking about financing or owning income producing real estate, what's the actual real estate we're talking about? Well, there's plenty of types. We can be talking about hotels, retail centers, data centers, residential apartment buildings. There's so many different examples that could be classified as part of a REIT. Now, a lot of REITs specialize in just one type of real estate, but some of them spread the wealth around across a whole bunch of different sectors. All depends on that specific REIT that you're looking to invest in. So Justin, talking about these REITs, they own or finance real estate. Well, how are they making money? Great question. So if they own the real estate, right, they charge rents typically to people who are leasing the space. That's one way that they can earn revenue. Another way, if it's a mortgage REIT, if you're financing the purchase of real estate, well, they're making money off the interest on the loan. So those are two major ways that REITs make money. Now, the great thing about a lot of REITs is they're traded on major stock exchanges. So oftentimes you can buy a single share of a REIT, you can buy them as a mutual fund, you can even buy some of them as an exchange traded fund or ETF. So once you buy them, well, how are you going to see any benefit from owning a share in a REIT? Great question. Well, remember, like stocks, REITs will pay out dividends. They're earning their profits. They're taking a portion of the profits and distributing it to the shareholders. You're a shareholder, you gain that dividend. Also, real estate tends to appreciate in value over time. So as the REIT is becoming more valuable because of the real estate that it owns, you're getting appreciation. If the REIT sells a property or you sell your shares in the REIT, you may have gained from when you initially bought it. Maybe you bought a single share for $60, you sold it a year later, it was $80, that's a $20 gain, capital gain. So those are two big ways that you can earn money off owning REITs. So the unique features about REITs versus owning your own home, for example, is that one, they have a very low fee for entry, right? It could be as low as the price of a single share to start investing in them. Maybe it's $50, maybe it's $80, maybe it's $100, depends on that specific REIT. But that's a great way to get started. A down payment can be a lot more. Even if you have 0% down using a VA loan or USDA loan, you still have closing costs. So those will typically be a lot more than the cost of getting invested with REITs. Second thing, you are not directly owning the real estate that's producing the income, right? The REIT, the company itself, is managing all that. So you don't have to do any active property management or hire a property management company. That's already being taken care of for you. Third thing, like we talked about earlier, if you want to sell a REIT, it's typically very easy to do as opposed to selling a house. So they tend to be very liquid. It's easier to turn your shares into actual money in your pocket quickly. So those are three unique features of REITs that may make them very appealing to you to start using as an investment tool. REITs have been in existence for over 50 years. A lot of us don't know about them, so I just want to introduce the topic to you in case you're interested in real estate, interested in investing, and you want to get started right away. Of course, talk to a licensed stockbroker or other qualified financial professional for more details, but this is just an introduction to the idea. This is something that I do myself personally, so I, of course, want to share it with you. All right, we're done. That's it. If you want to stick around, hey, we got more videos popping up over there, or you can check out the comments and descriptions below. Of course, the hashtag is jsbxhomes. We're all over the socials, so you can find me. And you can subscribe to this channel. 3 weekly educational real estate videos. Icon is right there. Right there. Okay. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you more soon.